They say living in a dorm limits your creativity, but for me, it's just a challenge waiting to be solved. Today's mission, a special Iftar contribution for my club. Welcome to my tiny kitchen. No fancy equipment, just a mini stove and passion for food. The menu is simple: scrambled egg sandwiches. It's not about the complexity of the dish, but the heart you put into it. Listening to the sizzle of the eggs. Honestly, it's my therapy amidst the busy campus life. Now, the assembly, layer by layer, soft bread, fluffy eggs, some salad, and just enough sauce to bring it all together. It's not about complexity, it's about doing the simple things right. Sliced, packed, and mission ready. Off to the IIUM Riverside, the perfect spot. Good food tastes better when shared. Happy Iftar, everyone.